Hello, it's Chris here. Welcome back to Carlton Motor Company. Today's video walk around is of the 2021, the 71 plate Ford Transit Connect. It's the Trend, it's the L2, 5 seats inside. So the crew vans are ideal. You can fold the seats down flat. It's still a van in the back if need be. 5 seats in total. It comes one owner. It's direct from a leasing company. Full service history, recent CAMBELT done. You've got a good spec inside. You've got a choice in stock of these vehicles. So if you would like any more information, please feel free to get in touch with Chris or Nick. Thank you.